So you ever get done a video and then you sit there staring at the blank description box or wonder what hashtags it is you're supposed to use or you know, I'm gonna help you with some of these things today, right real quick. And if you stick around to the end, I'm gonna show you a little bonus tip that once I put it together blew my mind. Welcome everybody. My name is Guy. Welcome to Creating Change. Appreciate you being here. Let's dive right into this. So look, using ChatGPT is what the platform I'm going to be showing you today. It's as simple as loading it up on your computer or on your phone. I've been using it on my phone, but today I'm going to do it on my computer so that you'll see exactly how you can use this to help you come up with the proper title, proper description, all those types of things. Because you get to that point, you've worked hard, you've made a video, and now you're like staring at your description box or wondering just what in the world, what's that, what hashtags, what are we talking about? So this is the way that I have started implementing into my routine. It doesn't take long once you get used to doing it, and like I say, you can do it right through your phone. And this is on ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to come up with a description on ChatGPT right here in front of you so that you can see exactly what is going on here. So you get done, you're getting ready to do a video, or you've gotten done with a video, you're trying to come up with a description, you're trying to come up with your hashtags. Okay. Well, you come in here and you say, okay, I need a SEO description for a video about, let's see, what are we going to make it about? Let's make it about teaching AI, teaching how to use AI, how to use AI to get SEO. Let's just go with that. Something that simple. I need a SEO description for a video about how to use AI to get SEO. And let's just see what it says. Let's start with that. Here's an SEO. All right, we got response 1 and response 2. All right, here's an SEO optimized YouTube description you can use, or I can tailor it to your exact video style if you tell me more about it. Okay, so the description you can see right here, want your videos or website to rank higher. In this video, I show you step by step how to use AI to master SEO. You'll learn to create powerful titles. You can see what it says right there. And it brought that up just by that one thing. It brought just all that up. All right, so watch this. You wonder, okay, well, how do I come up with my hashtags? How do I come up with all this? Well, right here they are. Right here. You can see AI SEO with a comma, AI for YouTube, comma. And the reason why they put that comma behind it is because it's copy and pastable right into the tag section of your YouTube description box. When you get to your description box in YouTube, then obviously you put your title, and then in the description you'll have what this helps you bring, and you tweak it to your style. And then you also can prompt it to copy and paste. You can now copy and paste this section right here, right over in to your tag section, and they'll be ready and tag. Because when you're doing a tags in it, you put a comma after it, and that's what makes it set as a hashtag. You don't put hashtag and then whatever the word is. You put the word, then a comma, and then you put the next one that you want, and then a comma. Or you can do this with the copy and paste through AI, and you can go deeper and deeper and deeper into it. Like you could ask what is a great title? Question mark. All right, let's see what it has to say here. Oh, I accidentally hit the sorry about that. You know, you have technical issues sometimes. I accidentally hit the stop button, but what is a great title? It'll know what I'm saying. Now, hit that, and then don't hit that little square down there at the bottom, or you'll stop it by accident. Okay, and then it brought up here's some strong SEO friendly titles, title ideas for your video. All these things are right here, and you just start talking to it just like you're talking to another person. You come at it like you're talking to somebody and you're asking them a question. You're in a classroom and you're talking with people. So you use this tool to help you bring these things up and really simplify the process. Now, one other little bonus that you can do is you can, once you get your title and description and all that, you get done with your video, you can upload it privately into YouTube, and now you have the transcript. Well, you can then bring that transcript over here, and you can copy and paste it into the Ask Anything and ask it to write you a description and title, SEO description and title. That's how I start the conversation for this when I'm talking to ChatGPT. And then it will analyze your transcript and it'll give you a proper description and proper hashtags. And this is all on the free version, guys. I'm not paying for any of this. So therefore, you know, this is just my opinion. I'm just throwing it out there to you guys, but I want you to be able to have that opportunity because it does simplify your process. But guys, I appreciate y'all being here. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, share if you feel so led. If not, I really don't care. Just appreciate you guys being here. So until next time, always good vibes to all of my beautiful people. I appreciate you guys. Have a great afternoon. Let me know if this helps you in the comments, man. I'm interested. Like to know if it helped. Y'all be good.